of our diet is indispensable if we want good health. And to help you with this sometimes not so easy task, there are some very special recipes. This natural juice we will show you today can help you prevent chronic and degenerative diseases. Did you know that? So stay tuned to learn how to make this delicious basil and sage drink. Recently on our channel, we talked about the signals the body gives when trying to tell you that something isn't going right. Lumbar pain, troubles urinating, etc. are some of the signals of kidney stones. If you want to learn more, watch the suggested video. And did you know that these two plants are great to treat kidney function? They even help cleanse the kidneys, responsible for eliminating toxins and avoiding health issues. Our bodies are full of toxins because of the chemical substances found in food, air, hygiene products, water, etc. With time, these substances get accumulated. Besides that, kidneys are important for keeping the water balance of the body and also hormone production. They help eliminate the excess of water, salt, and electrolytes, helping a lot with bloating. Besides that, the kidneys also play a role in the formation of red blood cells and help regulate blood pressure. Did you know that? To prevent your kidneys from being overworked, it is important to do a cleansing. Do you want to learn how? As we have seen in a recent video, basil has diuretic, digestive, and relaxing properties. Basil helps eliminate water and toxins, helping dissolve stones and sand found in the kidneys. You can avoid renal colic by drinking basil tea. What about sage? We have talked about it sometimes on the channel, even recently. Have you seen it yet? This plant, whose name means healing in Latin, has many health properties. It is a great treatment for respiratory and digestive issues, and also for cleansing the kidneys, thanks to its diuretic and depurative qualities. Consuming sage helps detox the body by eliminating liquids, fighting bloatedness, inflammation, and edemas. Write down the ingredients and see how easy it is to make. 10 fresh basil leaves, 5 fresh sage leaves, 6.75 ounces water. Directions: combine the fresh leaves, which have more properties than the dried versions, and the water in a blender and blend until smooth. If you want, add a tablespoon of honey to sweeten it and drink right after. To get all the benefits of this mixture, drink this juice for a whole week while fasting, around half an hour before your breakfast. Prepare the juice just before drinking it. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.